Friends, in today's video we'll see how to get the table data directly from the website to the Excel sheet. Before that, I'll just copy this link. Once after copying the link, go to data tab and then from there click on this from web option. You will get a pop-up like this. Now paste URL and click OK. Here you can see all the tables which is there in that particular website, so that you can just click here, so that this is the first table which is reflecting in that website, and this is the second table. I need the complete foreign exchange values in this Excel file. Once you click on load, all the data will get imported into this Excel file from that website, and this data can be refreshed whenever you are opening the file. For that, we have to go to the query, click on properties and click refresh data when opening the file and click OK. Now this data will get refreshed whenever you are opening the file. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.